Typically, when people think of light therapy, it's that we're stimulating the skin with light, and that's typically with lamps or lasers, LEDs. And LifeWave, of course, is a new method for stimulating the skin with light. But it still has that limitation that we're getting light onto the surface of the skin. So the concept that I wanted to work on over the years was, is there any way to get light inside of the body? And there are some interesting approaches to this. So, for example, there's UV lights that you can put up your nose, and this will help to irradiate the blood and ozonate the blood. But I really was looking for something that would have a systemic effect. So the concept that I began to work with was, what if we could somehow embed photons of light into water, so that when you drink the water, which goes everywhere, that when the water is metabolized, the photons of light would be released. And if we could use wavelengths of light that would trigger a regenerative mechanism in the cells, then that could be something extraordinary. So very simply, this new technology is a new structure of water. We could use that, or a new phase of water. And photons of light are embedded into the bonds between hydrogen and oxygen, so that when you drink this water, the light is released into the body. And the wavelengths of light that we're using are those that are based off of how lobsters do not age. So, of course, it took me 90 minutes to present this at conference, but the short story is I found a biological code in lobsters in the form of light emissions in their blood. And I traced that back to the ability of lobsters to defy aging as we know it. And those wavelengths of light got embedded into, there's 6 different wavelengths of light, and that got embedded into this water. And then we went ahead and we've performed 4 clinical studies to date. There's 3 more that are on the way. And we basically found that within 15 seconds of drinking this water, we could see changes in the blood, the urine, and also the bioelectrical readings in the body, especially around the heart and the brain.
Guys, look what a sexy box. It's not a myth. It's a real thing.
And thank you, God, for putting this in our heart.
And bow, baby. Here we go. Hey, we're going to stay focused on the patch. We're not going to go crazy. We're going to stay on track. But we're going to be drinking some healing water, baby.